And there's Billy Billy. Now the Beats with space on the far side. He's got options in field. Early bowling! Right place, right time. Butuma. As Pirates rip the Oni to shreds and finding their third. Yanela Butuma with the approaches goal. Pirates with the creativity once again. And Limito with a beauty of an assist. Just he's a third appearance here at the Orlando Pirates. And it's all about being at the right place at the right time. He's working hard to get there. Well spotted by Limito. The timing of the ball in was inch perfect, matched by the run in. And even though William Mooney came out and made himself big, there's no denying Butuma, he's first in the Champions League, and he's first at the Orlando Pirates. Like a hand in glove for Orlando Pirates. And it's got 10. Enrique Spain getting his first appearance, and here's another possibly. Make that the brace for Butuma to go with Maremi's brace. 4 for Pirates on the day. But it turns out to be a memorable afternoon. Happy people have never been happier at the start of the season. The Kings of the NTNH looking to add another star to the Black and White of Orlando Pirates. And one of their many new stars coming in for a memorable afternoon. Great work in the creative department once again. A little fortuitous for Butuma, he won't care. Right place, right time, and again another poacher's goal then as he gets his brace. Tries his might, William Mooney can't deny Pirates